Are BMW M4 wheel spacers safe?
Using BMW M4 wheel spacers is safe and good. Just make sure to buy high quality that are half-century and have them installed correctly. As long as each lug bolt is tightened to the correct torque specification, there won't be any potential failure point. Wheel spacers contribute to an incremental improvement in handling and stability because of the increased track width from the wheel being pushed further out. They are no different for a set of offset rims. You can run BMW M4 wheel spacers on a racing or street car with the zero issues. In addition, spacers enlarge the inner wheel clearance so that wider tires can be safely mounted. This makes your BMW M4 look really nice. Correct fitment of the BMW M4 wheel spacers is the highest priority to ensure driving safety. When it comes to the safe spacers, precision can be interpreted as quality. It is one of the keys to success in producing BMW M4 wheel spacers. In short, the higher the precision, the better the surface quality, and the better the spacers can fit on the vehicle hub. There is a less chance of vibration or rubbing. Once wheel spacers are all forged, the manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. The machining accuracy of bonus spacers reaches a tolerance of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. If you are looking for BMW M4 wheel spacers with durability and are lightweight, then Bonus Forge Lightweight Plus wheel spacers case is a perfect option. The spacers are machined with hollow covered holes, under the promise of ensuring safety and reliability. It effectively reduces weight and energy. Consumption loss improves control performance, and achieves a balance between the high performance and environmental protection.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.